So you're watching videos on YouTube. There's a lot of information out there about how to perform locksmith-related work. Lots of folks willing to share trade secrets to do-it-yourselfers. And we say, let them share. The locksmith industry has evolved. Access control systems, door replacements, keyboards, and electromechanical solutions are the future of the locksmith industry. YouTube videos won't help you learn that, but the Flying Locksmiths will. If you are a locksmith and want a career, not just a job, join our team. Evolve from just being a locksmith and become a physical security specialist while connecting to a network of more than 200 of your peers. Relocation packages are available anywhere in the U.S. The key to success comes down to 3 simple words: the Flying Locksmiths.